Yes, so although lycopene is a natural pigment ingredient, these have been bioengineered by the company Del Monte. So no, they're not naturally growing out of the ground pink, you guys, okay? Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. You guys, look what we have here. Oh my gosh, get excited. Y'all, we have a pink pineapple, okay? I have been searching high and low for these things, and they're honestly really hard to come across, but I came across one and I had to snag it. Now, let me just say this. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. This is Life with Star. My name is Angie, and let's get into it. So, as you guys know, if you guys haven't already figured it out, I like to juice. I love to juice. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I'm not trying to convert you or anything, but fruits is life, honey. It's what helps detox our body, and veggies is what helps replenish it. But anywho, I have been searching for a pink pineapple for like a long time because I've seen it across TikTok, like when it was like super popular all over TikTok. But like I said, it's very hard to come by. But I was shopping at my local produce market, Fresh Fields, and I seen the pink box from the doorway, y'all. So I knew we was going home one. Like, my curiosity was not going to allow me not to leave the store without a pink pineapple. So here's a couple quick fun facts. Let's get into it. So obviously Del Monte is the brand, and they have actually been trying to perfect this pink pineapple for the past 16 plus years. So the pink glow pink pineapples actually grow on a farm in South Central Costa Rica. You know, hello. If y'all didn't know, I did find out that I'm Costa Rican, honey, by the blood. Del Monte has been trying to perfect these pink pineapples for the past 16 plus years to ensure that they have the perfect taste and aroma. You guys, are y'all ready to cut into this thing? Because I am. If you're wondering how they have managed to take a yellow pineapple and now it's pink, it's because of lycopene, okay? Lycopene is a natural pigment that actually gives produce its pink or red flesh color. So yes, you guys, so although lycopene is a natural pigment ingredient, these actually have been bioengineered by the company Del Monte, so we can't necessarily say that they're naturally growing out of the ground, naturally pink. However, same benefits as any other natural pineapple, but like I said, enhanced with that natural pigment color that gives other produce its red flesh. Oh baby. All right, so we're gonna lay her flat on her back. Look how pretty she is, you guys. Can you guys see it? Oh my God. Listen, let me tell y'all, this pretty little thing costs $6.99. If I want to lick it, I'm gonna lick it, okay? All right, so let's cut the other end, and I'm trying to cut in a way where we're not going to, core's not that big, waste anything. So I'm just trying to cut as close as possible here. Now, I'm not saying that y'all need to go out and find the, you know, nearest location that's selling these pineapples, because they're not cheap, okay? However, again, like I said, my curiosity just would not allow me to not get this pineapple. Like, I absolutely had to get it. Alright, you guys, so we have cut out, well, I might have missed some spots. Hold on, y'all. We decided to cut the eyes out of the pineapple here. Honestly, I think it's really like a preference thing if you want to even do this, to be honest with you. But they say that those parts of the pineapple are harder to digest, but to each his own, whatever. All right, you guys, let's take a bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's really pretty though. Okay, you guys. I'm just gonna grab a piece. Okay, y'all. Okay. I mean, okay, it's definitely not as acidic, or sour rather, than your traditional pineapple. I'll definitely give it that. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It tastes good, don't get me wrong. However, I don't know that it's worth the trouble of spending $7 or more, depending on where you're getting it, just for it to have that less acidic taste. Because honestly, it tastes like a regular pineapple. And if you let your pineapples you buy from the store, like your traditional ones, the yellow ones, ripen properly, they won't be as sour. Some of y'all be eating them too fast, too quick. It's good though. Definitely sweet. I don't eat grapefruit. The more I eat it, the more it's like really coming to me. I don't eat grapefruit, y'all. So I had seen somebody say something about it was giving kind of like pineapple with grapefruit. I don't get that vibe, but maybe I don't get that vibe because I don't eat grapefruit. I don't know. But it's good. The core has a lot of health benefits, y'all. So you just want to make sure you chew on that a little bit. Honestly, I'm just going to juice this because it tastes like a regular pineapple to me. And yeah. So again, totally like worth the experience. Like I said, my curiosity was killing me. And I knew the second that I had seen one of these in the store that I was going to buy one. Will I buy another one? Probably not. I don't know. It really just, I think it may depend on my mood and how I'm feeling in that moment if I see it. Because to spend $7 on a pineapple, baby, oh, before tax, I just, oh, the way food is, I can't, and I don't get food stamps. Oh my God, like, ooh. Anyway. I don't know that I'm going to be rushing back to the store to try to find it again. But I am so glad that I at least got to have the experience for sure. But if you guys want to have the experience, don't let me deter you. Go right on ahead and spend your little $7, honey, and get you a little pink glow pineapple. Then have at it. But like I said, for your traditional pineapples, your yellow pineapples, if you let them ripen properly, they won't be as sour. You know what I mean? So, I mean, and honestly, the bromelain that's in there, that's what's removing like that layer of mucus in your mouth and causing like that burning or tingling sensation. So pineapples have that. There's really nothing that you can do about it. But for the acidity and like the sourness, if you let them ripen properly, then you should not have that type of issue. So yeah, you guys. So here is our review on our Pink Glow Del Monte Pink Pineapple. Okay, I did find it from Freshfields Market off of Michigan, here in Orlando, Florida, and I paid $7 for this bad boy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the fruit. Okay, Pink pineapple, grown in Costa Rica, baby. Jewel of the jungle. That's what the box say. Del Monte. Oh, before I go, let me tell y'all, I don't really like the fact that this is trademarked. I feel like food should not be trademarked. Del Monte has a trademark on here, so technically we're not supposed to like resell these. You can get, like, it's illegal to resell them. Hawaii won't even accept shipments of these pineapples. Probably because they're growing their own pineapples on the beautiful island, but what I know. Okay, you guys, look, so there are seeds in here. They removed the top of the pineapple, I guess, to prevent you from being able to plant it. If you're going to try to grow your own pineapples at home, you can literally twist off the top of the pineapple and place it in some water, you know, peel back the leaves, place it in some water, and then boom, you got roots, because we've done it and we tried it. And I actually need to put mine in the ground. But anywho, with these, I don't think that it's illegal to plant them in your yard, but if you're going to plant them to obviously create more, you can't sell them. It's supposed to be illegal because they're trademarked by Del Monte. But anywho, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. If you guys, again, have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to do so before dipping up out of here. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload that's coming your way. Like, comment, share on this video. Follow us on our other social media platforms, which will be linked in our description box below. And yes, spread love is free. I mean, if y'all want to go spend $7 on a pineapple, by all means, go right ahead, baby. It's out there. You just got to find it. Tastes like a regular pineapple to me, though. But what I know. All right, superstars. See y'all next time. Bye.